Today we are making a Hugo Spritz. This is a lightly floral and super refreshing drink that is great for a hot summer day like today. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. The thing that is great about this drink is it's very simple. It only takes a handful of ingredients, and if you are someone that likes floral flavors, then you will love this because St-Germain is kind of the star of the show. So in your glass, all you're going to start with is adding 1 ounce of your St-Germain. This drink actually originated in Italy, and it was an alternative to the Aperol Spritz because it's a little bit lighter. So 1 ounce of your St-Germain goes in your glass. And now my garden is really happy and growing a lot of fresh mint right now. So we're gonna just step out and grab some. And here we have some fresh mint, so I'm just gonna take a handful of leaves and add this to my St-Germain. There we go. And you wanna kind of lightly muddle this. This isn't like a mojito where you're really banging it up, but I'm just gonna take a spoon and slightly mix it in with the St-Germain because you just want the essence of mint to be added to our cocktail. You can also add a slice of lime at this point. Ooh, and there's a spider connected to me. Hello, and goodbye. There we go. And we can just lightly muddle it so we get a little bit of the lime juice. And it is optional, but some people say to wait about 3 to 5 minutes and let the St-Germain sit with your mint leaves. So we have our ice, and I'm just gonna add this to my glass. So next I'm just going to add in some Pellegrino. You can also use club soda or your choice of sparkling water. And I'm going to add in 2 ounces of my sparkling water. Seriously, the spider is now in the shot glass. No, it's a tiny little red one. Now I'm going to add in my champagne, or you can use prosecco. And the thing about champagne is it adds the sweetness. So you can add anywhere from 4 to 5 ounces of your champagne. I kind of like to eyeball it, and I usually go more to 5 ounces of champagne just because it adds a little bit more sweetness to the drink, which I prefer, but it's really up to your taste buds. Okay. And now I'm just going to give this a little bit of a stir. You don't want to over stir it or shake this because you don't want to get rid of the carbonation. And one thing I do recommend is make sure your champagne and your Pellegrino or your sparkling water are cold because you want this to be a really refreshing drink. And you also don't want all your ice to melt and dilute the flavor. So now, just as a little garnish, I'm going to add some more fresh mint in. There we go. Along with just a lime wedge. I'm actually gonna snip it. And today it's about 100 degrees out, so I need something refreshing. So let's try it. That is so lovely. You do get that note of having the elderflower in it from the elderflower liqueur, as well as the freshness from the mint and the lime. And having something bubbly on a hot day, I think always is delicious. So if you would like to see some more of my cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Also, by the way, Halloween is coming, and so are my Halloween cocktails, so make sure to check in. Cheers!